Hey everybody, Elon Osborne here with a real quick tip. If you happen to have an Enclave CineHome II or CineHome Pro and you just want to connect to Bluetooth in order to listen to music, I was actually having a bit of trouble setting that up. And honestly, I couldn't really find anything on YouTube or online because there are different Bluetooth protocols out there, so there are different ways to connect them and to pair them. And the Enclave CineHome II and CineHome Pro are particular because they don't actually show up automatically on your Bluetooth list. Say if you were searching for Bluetooth devices nearby on Spotify. It actually runs on the same protocol as your typical single Bluetooth speaker. So you do in fact need to pair it first in the settings of your phone before it can be found by Spotify or by Amazon Music, etc. But the most important thing to remember when setting up Bluetooth for the first time is that you need to make sure the CineHome app itself is not open whatsoever. So once you've made sure of that, go to your settings, go to Bluetooth, and now it should pop up as a discoverable Bluetooth device. As you can see here, it says Enclave Audio, so I choose that, and then within a matter of seconds, it has paired. And in the Bluetooth settings, I just went ahead and renamed it Enclave CineHome II just because that's the particular speaker system I was dealing with. Now you can go back into the Enclave Remote app and make sure that the Bluetooth input is selected. When I go into Spotify or Amazon Music and I search for Bluetooth devices nearby, it will now be in the list of available devices. So this was just a real quick tip for you out there like me who are having trouble setting up the Bluetooth for the first time. Because if you have an Enclave CineHome II or CineHome Pro, you do know that listening to music through these speakers is an incredible experience. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Enjoy your Enclave CineHome II or CineHome Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tips and tricks like this one. And of course, always be listening.